good morning children. This is 5th standard English class. In our previous class we have started doing block number 23 reader practice questions, right? We have completed 2 bits. The remaining 3 bits I am going to show you now. You are going to do it in classwork. Open your reader and classwork. Yes, open your English reader children. Block number 23. Write today's date as 26/2/2021. Block number 23, complex sentences. Third question. First question, second question we have already completed in our previous class. Now third question. Identify simple, compound and complex sentences. Here they have given few sentences. You are going to read these sentences and you are going to identify whether it is a complex sentence or simple sentence or compound sentence. Okay. See the first one. I was crossing the road in a hurry and I banged into a car and a bike. I was crossing the road in a hurry and I banged into a car and a bike. Now can you identify which type of sentence is this, children? It is a compound sentence. See here, only two simple sentences which are joined by the conjunction and. So it is a compound sentence. Compound sentence. Next, all my friends went to bed early yesterday. All my friends went to bed early yesterday. This is a simple sentence. Simple sentence. C bit. She went for a walk although it was raining. She went for a walk although it was raining. See here two incomplete ideas, one complete idea and another one incomplete idea. And these two ideas are joined with although. So it is a complex sentence. Complex sentence. Coming to next debate. As soon as you complete your work, let us go and eat something. What? As soon as you complete your work. If you remove as soon as you complete your work is an incomplete idea, right? So I have joined two ideas with the conjunction as soon as. So it is a complex sentence. Complex sentence. Okay, how you are going to write this bit in class, children? First you are going to write this heading, leave one line, write this question and then write the answer in the next line and write the answer. Again leave one line, write the next bit. Coming to next question, number 4. Fill in the blanks choosing the most appropriate conjunction from the box. Fill in the blanks choosing the most appropriate conjunction from the box. Here in the box they have given the conjunction. You are going to read and fill in the blanks. First one I will do it for you. The remaining you do by yourselves. My father will start getting ready for the party. Dash I reach home. See, if, when, before, because, while, although. Here these all conjunctions are related to complex sentences, right? So which is the incomplete idea? I reach home is the incomplete idea and this is the relationship showing the time. So when. My father will start getting ready for the party when I reach home. See the second one. Use similes and metaphors in your writing. Dash you want to write vividly. Use similes and metaphors in your writing. Dash you want to write vividly. If you want to write vividly. 2 bits I have shown you, children. The other 2 you do by yourself. Okay. Fifth one. Form a complex sentence by joining the 2 ideas. Form a complex sentence by joining the 2 ideas. Now here they have given 2 ideas. You are going to make it into a complex sentence. He was wearing sunglasses. It was dark outside. He was wearing sunglasses is a complete idea. It was dark outside is a incomplete idea, right? So you are going to remove this full stop and add although here, although it was done. Okay. Next, B bit. You want to follow the instructions? Listen carefully. You want to follow the instructions is an incomplete idea, and listen carefully is complete idea. So, before incomplete idea, you are going to add conjunction. If you want to follow the instructions, listen carefully. Here, comma comes after instructions. He want to sleep. He started snoring. Sorry, he went to sleep, children. He went to sleep. He started snoring. This is an incomplete idea and this is a complete idea. These two you are joining by using the conjunction as soon as. As soon as he went to sleep, he started snoring. What is the meaning of snoring, children? When you sleep, you will take out the sound from your mouth. Yes, that is what is called snoring. Guraka pettadam in Telugu. In Hindi you call it as karate, right? Next, D bit. Raman was quietly reading a book. His sister was listening to her music. Listening to loud music. Raman was quietly reading a book. His sister was listening to loud music. Now, with what you will join, children? This is an incomplete idea. His sister was listening to loud music. Was incomplete idea. So you are going to remove this full stop and write while. Raman was quietly reading a book while his sister was listening to loud music. Okay, children. So what is your homework? You are going to complete question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5 in class workbook. Okay. By this I will end the session, children. Thank you.